Hey guys, it's Jen from beautyriotx, and today we're doing our GlossyBox unboxing. And this is actually a special edition Mother's Day box. As per usual, I have a discount code, but it's not an affiliate code. I don't make anything off of it. It just saves you money. You'll get your first GlossyBox for $16 and $5 off the special edition Mother's Day box. The embedded link will be in the description box below. Make sure you check it out if you want to save some money. So as per usual, it comes in a really cute box. I haven't opened it yet, but it's a good bit heavier. And I'm pretty sure there's pricier things in this limited edition box. It's supposed to be worth $218. So let's open it up. They include like a little magazine card pamphlet thing in here. It tells you everything in here. I'm not gonna look yet. They have something from Bumble and Bubble, which, fun fact, even I, as a licensed hairstylist, do not get discounts on this brand, which drives me up a wall. This is the Bumble and Bumble Surf Styling Leave-In for soft, sea-swept waves with UV protection. And this retails for $29. And it is a full size, obviously. The next is from Bioderma, and they're the ones who make that great like micellar cleansing water that used to be like all the rage on here. This is the Shine Control Moisturizer for combination oily skin. I have like combination slightly dry skin, but since summer's coming, I tend to be a little bit more oily, and I'll keep this just for that reason. Tightens pores, instantly corrects, hypoallergenic, apply morning and or evening to cleanse skin. I will do it. And obviously this isn't a full size, but they like to give you, like they break it down in basically what this would be worth. Even when they don't send full size things, they tell you what this amount would be worth as opposed to like the full size. So the full size retails for $20 and it's 30 milligrams. This is half that size. So this retails for about $10. They say $12.50, but I don't think that's true. That's not half of $20, no. I would say this is worth more like $10, if that. The next, it's this fucking brand again. Oh, well, at least this is a liquid lipstick, okay. This is from Cab Cosmetics, and I think one of you guys told me it's like one of the Real Housewives. This is a matte liquid lipstick. This retails for $18. I've gotten a bunch. I've gotten like lip gloss, I've gotten lip oil, and now here's a matte liquid lipstick. And it says red velvet, but this looks quite pink. Oh, that's actually nice. It's like a deep reddish pink kind of. Okay. The next is from a brand called Foy. This is CBD Relief Cream with essential oils and soothing lavender. Full size of this retails for $55, and this half ounce, 15 milliliters, as opposed to the 100 milliliters, which is the full size, is worth about $8. Actually, I'll definitely try this. My husband hurt his back recently and I like pulled something in my thigh, so anyway. The next thing in here is, I think it's a hair product, Authentic Beauty Concept Replenish Mask for Damaged Hair. This is a professional product again. The full size retails for $38 and that's about 200 milliliters. This is 30 milliliters and this retails for about $10, they say. Free of parabens, silicones, this mask strengthens hair fiber to help restore cuticle. Sure. The next is a perfume sample of the Mugler? I don't know. It sounds like a funny name for a brand. This is the Angel Eau De Parfum, and this full size, which is 1.6 ounces, retails for $120. This is 0.04 ounces, and this is worth about $4. Have I ever smelled this? I don't know. This is, ooh, it smells like patchouli, right? Yep, patchouli leaf. It's the first thing I see in here. Crap. I've been sleeping on this. Oh my God, I love stuff that smells like patchouli. My husband hates it, but I die over it. This smells amazing. That'd be one of the most exciting things I'm excited about. I mean, everything so far is fine, but that was a good one. The next thing in here is another oil. I've gotten like 3 oils in the last 3 subscription boxes. This is from Snow Fox. This is the Herbal Youth Oil. Ultimate blend of powerful plant oils, exotic herbal extracts to help nourish, hydrate, and make the skin look firmer. This is full size and it retails for $82. Whoa. Astragalus root extract and Brazilian paracress, known as nature's Botox. This silky, lightweight formula helps slow signs of aging on a cellular level. I'll definitely try that. I love a good oil. And the last thing in here is, I think it's sunglasses. These are from Velvet Eyewear, and these retail for $55. They're like aviator glasses. I don't have any shapes like this, but that could be maybe because I tried them on once in the store and looked stupid. I don't love them, but I don't hate them. I'll wear them. I'll leave them as like my extras in the car. I buy my sunglasses from Marshalls. I would never spend over like $12 on sunglasses. I mean, there's just no need. Okay, Okay, so honestly, this was a great box. Obviously, it's out of the realm of their normal boxes. Those are usually filled with a bunch of small sizes and then a random full-size product. But this was actually a really good limited edition box. So if you want to try it, again, you can save $5 by using the link below. The discount code, I'll write it on the screen, and again, the link will be listed below. You can use that link and it'll do all the work for you instead of you using the code yourself. So that was it. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you got GlossyBox for yourself this month. What'd you think about it? Love it, hate it, worth it? Let me know in the comments below. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.